Thank you for choosing the Motif Medical Twist Breast Pump. The Motif Twist is a compact, easy-to-use, and customizable breast pump, perfect for convenient on-the-go pumping, whenever and however you want. Settings and modes. The Motif Twist features two main mode options, expression mode and massage mode. The expression mode is the suction pattern with slower cycles and higher vacuum to express milk gently and efficiently. On the pump body, this is indicated by the solid line. The massage mode is the suction pattern with fast cycles and low vacuum to help with letdown and to start milk flowing. On the Motif Twist, this mode is indicated by the dashed line. Suction settings. The suction level on your breast pump refers to the suction strength and can be adjusted as you pump by twisting the dial on the pump body. When you are using your Motif Twist, you will usually find that expressing is most effective on the highest suction level that you are comfortable with. However, it's important not to set suction levels so high that it makes you uncomfortable, as the resulting pain will hinder your milk flow. The functions represented on the pump body are on and off, massage mode, expression mode, minimum suction power, maximum suction power, current suction power, 30-minute timer. Thank you for choosing the Motif Medical Twist Breast Pump. To learn more, visit us online at motifmedical.com.